Hey, what's up YouTubers? Today we are going to try to install this window AC unit in my garage. The problem with these is they vent so much hot air out the back of these things. If you put them in a room without venting this outdoors, it's just going to negate your cooling effects. So I'm going to try to vent this up into the attic and then over towards the soffit. It's going to be fairly close to the ceiling, so it's not going to have to push the warm air very far up. So I went over to Lowe's and I got this piece of ducting here, and I'm going to try to rig this up. So I'm going to get some sheet metal and I'm going to try to attach it to the side of the unit and then form it to this shape here. So I've got some cardboard. I'm going to make some templates, and then once I'm happy with those, I'll cut them out in some sheet metal over here, and we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, I'm done fabbing the exhaust manifold here, so now I'm just going to tape it up with this duct tape. This is pretty thin stuff, but it's made for taping up this kind of stuff. So I've done the inside to make it as smooth as possible, so there's less air disturbance as it's blown out. And now I'm just going to tape up the outside and tape it on the unit, and that's it.
What kind of tape is that?
This is 3M duct tape. But it's not like duct tape like you think. This is made especially for doing this kind of stuff. Okay, I've got the unit installed up on the cabinet where it's going to go permanently. I got my vent hose going up into the attic. This is a 6-inch vent hose. It goes up in the attic and then elbows over to the soffit over on the side of the house to dump the air out over there. So that's it. I've got everything taped up. Looks good. All I have to do is plug it in and see how it works. Alright guys, the AC is installed. I've got my vent hose hooked up and taped. Blowing out cold air here. Everything's working good. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.